Why does symbiotes hate a certain sound and fire? According to Marvel Comics, this is because of their creators, Null. After Null kills a Celestial, he is exiled to the Void, and there he transforms the Celestial's head into a necrosword. While spinning this sword, he creates symbiotes from his own blood. While creating the symbiotes, they are very afraid of the fire of the sword and the sound of Null's hammer, so when they hear a strong sound or feel intense heat, they remember the moment they were created and the fear they felt.